Optimized Strategies is talent org software for a specific operational decision. Optimizes activation strategies for different talent pool segments based on historical performance data. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that talent org teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Optimized Strategies narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Optimized Strategies starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include number of talent segments, total outreach capacity, minimum segment coverage, maximum cost per engagement, and quality versus quantity weight. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies determine optimal engagement distribution across segments to maximize total conversions while respecting minimum coverage requirements and total capacity limit. Adjust historical conversion rates for each segment based on engagement volume and saturation effects when enabled. Calculate the cost-effectiveness of the allocation strategy by comparing predicted conversions to total outreach costs adjusted by budget constraint. Calculate expected return on investment by summing quality-adjusted conversions across segments divided by total outreach costs, and estimate confidence in the allocation recommendation based on consistency of historical data, margin above minimum coverage, and budget utilization. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how talent org teams actually make decisions. Optimized Strategies return structured outputs such as cost efficiency score, projected ROI, strategy confidence, optimal segment allocation, and segment performance analysis. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of optimized strategies is not just automation. It is a controlled way to turn repeated talent org work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.